School districts have just days now to get their reopening plans into the state. New Haven, one of the state's larger districts, is already moving forward, and Channel 3 Connecticut's Back to School Authority is breaking it all down for you. New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live with our mobile newsroom in the Elm City with a look at what's in store. Matt?
Well, Kara, here in New Haven, the Elm City's back-to-school plan is going to cost nearly $14 million. Now, more than half of that is going to be covered by the Federal CARES Act money. But this is a very large plan, lots of moving parts, and of course, plenty of parents want to know how it's all going to work. While her family enjoys a summer day at the beach, Anita Coleman admits the upcoming school year is already on her mind. More specifically, her concerns over sending two of her boys back into the classroom.
Kids need to learn. They need to be able to interact with each other. They need to be able to play with each other. How are they going to do that with this, coronavirus going on?
Tuesday night, hundreds of parents sat through a more than 3-hour Zoom call as New Haven unveiled its back-to-school plan. The Elm City has 3 options: a full 5-day-a-week in-class learning and 2 alternative plans in case health data trends in the wrong direction. A hybrid plan, which means part in-school, part online, and a remote plan where it's all distance learning.
I'm not nervous. We trust the Lord. And they're happy to go back to school. They're ready to go back to school.
New Haven's plan highlights its cleaning routines, social distancing on the school bus and in the classrooms, and daily screenings to keep students and staff safe.
We're putting all of the pieces together, looking at training all of our staff, providing education for families, for children, for all of the school staff on those important pieces: hand hygiene, wearing masks, physical distancing.
Local school districts must submit their plans to the state by Friday. And with so much still up in the air from now until September, Coleman says it's easy to have one's confidence questioned.
I hope so. I really hope so, because kids need to learn, and they don't want to be stuck in the house all the time. You know what I mean? They want to interact. They want to play. So I don't know. Hopefully it goes good.
Now this week, New Haven Public Schools will post the guide online, breaking it all down for parents when it comes to in-class learning, transportation, also those frequently asked questions. Now, the health department was quick to point out that while the plans are being submitted to the state this week, CDC guidelines, they're changing all the time. So he said there is the chance that this plan could change too by the time we get to September. We're live at the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.